Hey guys, welcome back to Chris and RCs. In today's video, we have the Traxxas XRT. We have the new XRT wheel style with the sledgehammer tires on it. Great for backflipping. We've already been doing front flips and back flips, and now we're gonna be getting a new shell here soon. Got a crack on this side and the other side. Demonstrate. Here's how they're gonna do it. That was a front flip, I think. Now we're gonna do a back flip. And it's easy, it doesn't take much effort for it to do it. So I would say these tires are pretty good. These are tires I've actually wanted. They only had them in the X-Max style, as well as went to the Traxxas site a while back, and they offered them in the XRT wheel style. I was like, yes, we have to get them. So I went to my local RC shop and got them. And I'm just having fun with them. I wouldn't say to you, I mean, I've been driving down the road for just a little bit, and it doesn't look like it hurts them as much, but off-road or road does not like, they don't like each other. Okay, let's see if we can get over this beam right here. Front flip over it? Try that. Not a good one. Had better. Okay, let's see how high we can go. We're gonna send it as high as we can. Bad. The tires handle pretty well. Okay, I'm gonna check the battery compartment to see what's going on in there. Everything should be handling just fine. Oh yeah, beautiful. Yeah, that's what we did to the back from self-riding. It actually works on the old tires. I don't want to try them on the new tires yet. So, but I saw, I don't know what company it is, but for the indestructible bodies, they have the XRT shell now. So I'm gonna try to see if the shop can order one, my local RC shop, and I'm gonna put it to the test. Or I might buy the solar flare body for looks and keep this as just a bashing body. And the Losi is the Super Baja 2.0 is getting a new shell tomorrow because we've been redoing it all, making it look brand new again. So there will be a video on that, but right now we're doing a video on this. This thing just tastes like it's nothing. No, but when that truck comes down, it's like a pillow. Like, nice. We're gonna race this first AMG and the Losi. The Losi's gonna go against the AMG because that AMG got a new 6S ESC in it, so more power. So now we gotta race him again. So Losi won last time, so I want to race him again and see who's actually faster. It's gonna be awesome. So subscribe for that next video. And make sure your notifications are on, if they work. I'm just having fun with the trucks. I don't care if I'm racing or not. So the shocks have been stiffened. The shocks have been stiffened and they have 80 weight oil in them for CST. So they're a little more thicker now to handle the hard landings. It's still chassis slaps, but I'd rather have the chassis slaps, but I want to thicken the shocks up a little bit. Oh, there goes that back piece. Yay. Now let's see if we can get self-right to work. I'm gonna try it. I want to see if this works. Nope, can't do that. I see a battery coming out. Well, we tried. We've put a lot of damage onto this. Oh wow, would you look at that? It pulled. Nice. Yeah, I gotta fix that again. Well, this truck takes it pretty well. I might have to let it cool off though. It's getting hot. So I'm gonna end the video there, guys, and I will see you in the next video.